Now, a lot of people have trouble getting ideas or generating ideas. Those words mean the same thing in task 2 of the IELTS test. So let's discuss what to do in writing in that situation. Okay, so usually it's important to analyze the question, and there are 2 or 3 parts to most questions in IELTS. So the very first thing to do is to split that page in 2, split your note page in 2. For example, if it's a cause-effect essay, you would write like that. You'd like to, good to split it like that. Or a cause solution. See the different options coming up. An advantage, disadvantage. We'll discuss both points of view there. And if it was a one-sided opinion, this is a good way to think of your ideas, where you discuss the advantages of your opinion and the disadvantages of the other opinion. So then you're making your opinion strong in a one-sided essay. But anyway, whatever kind of essay it is, there's always 2 or 3 parts. So splitting the page helps with getting ideas. Then you understand the question more carefully. Then you have to consider points, and absolutely 3 points is enough. Probably too much for most candidates. So 1, 2, or 3 points is plenty for each side. Often I've seen good writing that only has 1 point with lots of examples and explanation. One thing you have to consider is P. Do you know what P means? Yes, sometimes it does mean that, but not in this situation. It's a good way to remember it for you, though. We are not talking about going to the toilet, so let's scrub out that idea. No, no, no. What we are talking about is this, the idea of point, explain, and example. So you need to do that with all your points. So here's an example here. What causes obesity or fatness? Food. Now we need to explain what we mean by food. So it's too much food. It's not just food, it's too much food. For example, eating all the time. A second point might be unhealthy food, and then we give examples and we explain it. By that we mean deep fried food or sweet food. So never forget P. Each of your ideas or your points should have examples. It should be explained well.